Welcome to the North Carolina mountains. So I'm at the visitor center headed to Boone, North Carolina. There's the nature trail. I gotta go check it out. And there's a geocache here, so I want to find out the geocache. So I'm on this little nature trail at the rest area on I-40, no, on 421 North, headed towards Boone. It has a nice little nature trail and a great place to stretch your legs. Anyway, I'm taking this little trail, see if I can find the geocache. All right, we've got deer, turkeys, and black bears. The trail continues. I came out of the woods, still walking. Pretty neat. Crossing the street, continuing on the nature trail. My knees are so much better since I've lost weight. I could not walk like this a couple months ago. Alright, let's go on the trail. We'll start to the right. There we go. Alright, let's see. Got some goodies in there. I've already signed it. And it's a little wet. Alright. I'm not going to pan out where you can see where it is, but that's where it is. So I have found this geocache and signed it. I'm going to log it. I found it. That one took me a few minutes because I kept looking around the stump everywhere except for where it was. So I finally accidentally found it. So anyway, we're headed on to the mountains for some hiking. And again, this is a little trail. You can see the visitor center, the rest area. A nice little break just to stretch your legs if you're tired of traveling. Makes it very nice. I like the trail. So this video is an example of how easy it is to find geocaches. When you're traveling, you can stop at the rest areas. Most rest areas I've been to seem to have them. So enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next adventure.